Hello everyone, RuneSmith here. It's been a while. Just getting you in focus and set up. It has been a while and I'm out of practice, so I want to talk about a couple of things. But first I want to tell you about what I'm going to be doing for the next few months. And that is using, not exclusively, but I have the LockpickPros Gen2 carbon fiber extended set with all the weird and wonderful profiles as well. So I looked at this, and I've actually been, before I even decided on LockpickPros, I've been looking for a set that I think would be fun to run as a main kit, and only them. Obviously I'm going to be using different tensioners, that is what it is, but pick wise my main kit for the next few months is going to be LockpickPros Gen 2, and I've been a bit sneaky. I've also thrown the Gen 1s in back there as well. The reason I've thrown the Gen 1s in is because they're quite stout, and sometimes I'd rather use that than use one of my new shiny ones. But that being said, it's a well-rounded kit, so I thought it would be a fun experiment. It's got pretty much everything that I need in it to do everything, pretty much. Obviously for like levers and dimples and things like that, I'm going to be using dimple kits and lever kits, but for my main pin tumbler picking, I'm going to be going to these. Like I said, it's well rounded, so we have, I put the classics up here, some of the classics. We've got Snowman, the half diamond, we've got the club there, short flat. Can you call that a classic or a staple? So we've got some very classic profiles in this set, and I'll leave these out for a moment. We've also got some very strange, innovative profiles as well. So I've got the quad micro, which is like a normal quad rake. See if I can get it to focus. It's like a normal quad, but it's got the extended front, and I think all of this style rake in this set has an extended front to turn it into a hybrid. We also have things like the staff pick and the double tap. So we've got some strange things to work with as well, and I'm going to leave those out. And I'll get a set of these tensioners and a set of these longer double-ended tensioners here as well. And because I'm only just back and I haven't been picking for a few days or weeks, well, it's more a few days, so I'm only a little bit out of practice, I want to do some practice. 64 Ti50. Let's grab one of the thicker tensioners from here. I like to put stout tension on this. I'm going to use the classic short flat, and I'm going to get, hopefully, solid clicks. If it's not a solid click, I don't want it. There we go. That's the solid click I've been looking for. There we go, there's 2. And there we go. Sometimes these can be a bit of a pain, but fun practice when you get back. With the keyway and the quad micro. Okay, that tensioner doesn't seem to be actually putting tension on, it seems to be binding the core a little. Let's see if this one can do it. Okay, so it's got me in a little false set, so let's find any. There we go. See if I can get this double tap. So you may recognize this style of pick. It's very similar to some customs that people have been making for many years, with the hook style and the hump behind it. Some people may mistakenly think that it's by another company, and they're all very similar, but I'm going to try, it's called the double tap, so I'm going to try hybrid picking it. There we go, didn't even need to hybrid on this Titalium ATTI 50. The reason I'm trying it on that is because the way I'm seeing this pick is it's a delicate hook. If you just look at that, that's a delicate, nice, slim hook that can reach, and then it's reinforced once it gets back here. In my head, that's how it's coming across, so let's try and pick using it like that. And there we go. And to be honest, the way that I looked at it seems to work pretty well. It is very nice at reaching far back and delicately manipulating pins. I'll be keeping an eye on this one because it does actually feel pretty nice, as strange as it does look. And lastly, I have this Abus stainless steel 9050. Going to use this profile again. There we go. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you're going to enjoy the next couple of months with me experimenting all the different profiles, getting used to picks that I'm not used to, and I will be polishing these up a little bit more than they come factory. Hope you enjoyed. Keep an eye out for much more content in the future. Thanks for watching.